friends, welcome back to my channel. Twins are us. And today we're making baked rainbow crayon. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Twins are us.
Okay, so step 1 is to peel the crayons. Good job, just like this. Just like that. Good job. Ooh! Yes!
What's your answer? You want the baked crayons with rainbow crayons? Okay. I break all of them.
You still need more. Look, this is still big. You still need to very tiny pieces. See?
I break it.
See, this one you still have more big ones.
I break all them.
Alright, once you have all your tiny little pieces, we're going to grab our silicone molds. We have these cute bunnies. There are boy bunnies on the top, and then there's girl bunnies in the bottom.
Color bunnies.
And we are going to put the pieces. We're going to put the pieces of crayons inside each of these molds.
Inside the mold.
Yeah. So we're gonna do this. Let me show you. We can put pink here. Oh, you see, this is too big still. So if it's too big and it doesn't fit, we have to break it more and put some inside. Yeah. Good job, Jacob. Just like that. Try to fit all of the little pieces of crayons inside the mold.
Mold this fit in there. And they're to fit. And so, we're gonna put them all. Uh-oh, it's too big. Yeah, this one is small. And it has the tiny pieces. I can't get them fit.
Then break them more. If you can fit them, then break them into more pieces. This is how they came out. This is how they're supposed to look. Not overflowing, just enough to cover up to the top. And now we're going to put them in the oven.
Put it in the oven?
Yeah, we're gonna put them in the oven. Okay, after 20 minutes in the oven, this is what we got. We let it cool down so it can harden. And we're gonna take it out now.
Uh-oh. I think it's frozen. You know. It's Cuddles from Happy Tree Friends.
Oh, okay.
It's Cuddles.
Okay.
Look. 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 It's so cute. It's Happy Tree Friends. You let it cool it down.
Yeah, we let it cool down. Once you take it out of the oven, it's melted wax. So we need to let it cool down so that it can solidify. It's so colorful bunnies.
So from Happy
I like
Tree.
this one. This one came out so cute. Oh, this one came out cool. Look at that one.
It's cuddles too. We made from Happy Tree Friends.
And we have these printables that they will be at twinsrus.store. Website free when you subscribe to our email list.
Your sign. I'm never let you. I finished.
Whoa. Nice job.
I finished.
Good job.
Okay, thanks for watching to Twins Like Us. See you later. Okay. Bye. Thank you, Twins Like Us. Bye. 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 Please like and share.